Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn about birds. Birds are a large group of animals. They are vertebrates, which means they have backbones. And like mammals, they are warm-blooded. All birds have 2 legs, wings and feathers, a beak or bill, and they lay eggs. Most birds, however, are wild animals, and while we may enjoy watching them, they should be left alone. I hope you enjoyed learning about birds today. Goodbye till next time.
Tiptoe by the window, oh, baby, come tiptoe through the tulips with me. Oh, tiptoe by the garden, oh, tree, come tiptoe through the tulips with me. You are so beautiful to me.
Give me a chance. I'm communicating here. You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see? Hello.
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird, the bird, the birds that